This is Health 54 right here on your digital first Pan-African News Network, TOS Television. I am Rose Audu. Prince Andrew on Friday missed Queen Elizabeth's Platinum Jubilee celebrations Thanksgiving service after he tested positive for the coronavirus. The embattled Duke of York, who stepped down from royal duties in the wake of a sex scandal, was expected to be at royal service like other family members. According to a report by Mirror UK, a palace spokesperson stated that after undertaking a routine test, the Duke has tested positive for Covid-19 and with regret will no longer be attending the Thanksgiving service. However, statistics from the World Health Organization on Thursday revealed that globally, the number of new weekly cases has continued to decline since a peak in January. Morocco's National Regulatory Agency overseeing the use of cannabis for medical use met for the first time on Thursday in one of the last steps before legalization in the world's top cannabis raising producer. The North African nation adopted a law in 2021 provisionally authorizing the legal uses of cannabis for medical, cosmetic, and industrial uses and tasked the national agency to oversee the process. The agency will be responsible for controlling all stages of the production chain, from the import of seeds to the marketing of cannabis products. And a physician with Accident and Emergency Department Federal Medical Center Abuja, Dr. Arome Adijo, has decried the lack of equipment to treat accident victims, especially those in critical condition in tertiary hospitals in the country. According to the physician, most government tertiary hospitals across the country do not have a computed tomography scan to attend to unconscious accident victims, consequently leading to many unavoidable deaths. A consultant dermatologist, Dr. Shakirat Gold Olufadi, has urged Nigerians to take good care of their skin, as she stressed that a well-maintained skin could help prevent other diseases. The dermatologist also noted that good skin is not only beneficial for physical health, but gives a psychological boost that can help improve mental health. The skin, she said, is a window to the other organs of the body, adding that the importance of the skin to health could also be seen in the fact that diseases of other organs of the body often first manifest on the skin. This is TOS Television and you're watching Health 54. More stories to return to stay with us. Welcome back. You're watching Health 54. United States medical team said on Thursday that they had successfully reconstructed a human ear using the patient's own tissue to create a 3D bioimplant, a pioneering procedure they hope can be used to treat people with a rare birth defect. It was gathered that the surgery was performed as part of an early-stage clinical trial to evaluate the safety and efficacy of the implant for people with microtia in which the external ear is small and not formed properly. Renovo, as the implant is called, was developed by the company 3D Biotherapeutics, while the surgery was led by Arturo Bonilla, founder and director of the Microtia Congenital Ear Deformity Institute in San Antonio, Texas. He said he hoped the implant would one day replace the current treatment of microtia, which involves either grafting cartilage from a patient's ribs or using synthetic materials, porous polyethylene, to reconstruct outer ears. And a medical virologist and immunologist at the Adeleke University at Osun State, Oladipo Kolawole, has said that monkeypox is more deadly in patients with comorbidity. In medicine, comorbidity is the presence of one or more additional conditions, often co-occurring with a primary condition. According to him, the virus can overwhelm patients with comorbidity and can lead to death. In 2022, the first death from the disease in Nigeria was reported in a 40-year-old patient who had underlying comorbidity and was on immunosuppressive medications. The Nigerian government on Monday co-opted community pharmacies into COVID-19 vaccination campaign to enable more access to vaccines among rural communities. The Executive Director of the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, Faiza Shoaib, while speaking at the flag off on Tuesday, said this will ensure vaccine availability to tackle the virus, which has claimed millions of lives globally. And just before we go, the World Health Organization has highlighted the dangerous impact of tobacco to society, saying more than 8 million human lives, 600 million trees, 200,000 hectares of land, 22 billion tons of water and 80 million tons of carbon dioxide, among others, are lost to tobacco industries annually. The global body made the claim in a publication on Tuesday as part of activities to mark this year's World No Tobacco Day, which has been set aside by the organization to sensitize the public on the danger inherent in tobacco products and industries. That is Health 54 right here on your digital first Pan-African News Network, TOS Television. For more updates, visit www.tostvnetwork.com. Do follow and like TOS TV Network on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And remember to subscribe on YouTube. Do stay with us and enjoy more programs on TOS TV Network. Remember, health is wealth. So till I come your way again, to stay healthy, I am Rose Audu, and many thanks for watching.